Welcome to IIT-IIM-Teacher.com. Classification of triangles. Our brief agenda for this session. We will look at the first type of classification, equilateral, isosceles, and scalene triangles. Second type of classification, acute angle, right angle, and obtuse angle triangles. First type of classification, equilateral, isosceles, and scalene triangles. We will look at equilateral triangle first. Equilateral triangle. The key property is that all sides are of equal length. Such a triangle is called equilateral. In fact, all angles are also equal. And each of the angle is in fact equal to 60 degrees. So the equilateral triangle, as the name suggests, all sides are equal, all angles are equal, and each of the angle is equal to 60 degrees. Next one is isosceles triangle. So here, two sides are equal in length. It could be any two sides. Any two sides of equal length, then the triangle is called isosceles triangle. And what about the angles? Angles opposite to these equal sides are also equal. For example, in the triangle shown aside, if AB is equal to AC, then the angles opposite to them are also equal. That means angle B is equal to angle C. The last one is scalene triangle. All three sides are of different length. None of the sides are equal. Same is the case with angles. None of the angles are equal. Everything is different here. Classification. Acute angle triangle. Recall, what is an acute angle? Something that is less than 90 degrees. So, if all the three angles of the triangle are less than 90 degrees, such a triangle is called acute angle triangle. Second one is right angle triangle. What is a right angle? That is exactly equal to 90 degrees. So one of the three angles in the triangle, if it is exactly equal to 90 degrees, then the triangle is called right angle triangle. In the figure shown, in the triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degrees. What is an obtuse angle triangle? Recall, what's an obtuse angle? That lies between 90 and 180 degrees. So one of the three angles of the triangle, if it is between 90 and 180, such a triangle is called obtuse angle triangle. In the triangle ABC shown aside, angle B is greater than 90 and of course less than 180. Hence, it's an obtuse angle triangle with obtuse angle as B. Quick checkpoint. Which of the following is an example of obtuse angle triangle? Second question is, it is possible to have a right-angled equilateral triangle. Answer to the first question is option B. And for the second question, the answer is false. Try it out. Hope you enjoyed this video. Do let us know your comments and subscribe to our channel IIT IIM Teacher. Stay tuned. Thank you.